We're here in the middle of nowhere. Abby, say hi. Hi, Abby. Say hi, Josh.
You may not wear that.
Hi, Josh.
You have to wear that.
No taking off of that thing. Oh, look.
It's not allowed for kids.
Josh, can you move, please?
Oh, here.
He's gonna go. Oh, look. Look at this. Look. Oh.
You want candy lights?
Meron ka ba dala?
Oh, there. See? He dropped the line. And then we'll wait for the fish to bite.
Yes.
You know fish eat worms.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's not
It's in TV.
Well, you know, I play.
Okay lang yan.
Kailangan ginagalaw.
Hindi,
Inaano mo. Ha?
Hard.
Makikita ba natin yan?
Hindi po.
Malalaman na lang natin yan pagka meron na. Na, babe.
Meron na.
Are you having fun?
Matagal ba yan?
Nasanay na kasi yung fish eh. Andyan na sila. Alis tayo dito.
Josh? Are you Josh? Are you having fun? Look. Having fun? Yes.
Tawagan lang po na ganun kasi minsan pagka may kit siya, umaangat na siya. Yan, ganyan lang po.
Yes.
Oh, who wants to hold the fish line?
Okay.
I'm the
Go.
Javi, stay here with Mom.
Nararamdaman niyo po yan, hinihila siya.
I have chips. What did you got?
Sa unahan.
Manong? Alika.
Meron na?
Mang cards.
Ano nangyari?
Meron, ma? Ay, may kumpila.
Parang.
We.
Wala pa po.
Pero mabigat eh.
Eh kasi meron ano sa dulo, ma.
Dali lang mama.
Teka lang yan.
Tayo ng isa.
Ha? Yung ganyan, wala yan.
I think there might be mermaids under. I think